Welcome back to a new episode with Chef D. Way. And today, we're gonna test out a theory. I got some chicken thighs here with me. Come on. Say what?
Chicken fries.
Say what? Come here. What'd you say?
Chicken fries.
Who?
Chicken fries.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some chicken and fries. Say, Chef D. Way.
Go around.
Huh?
Go around.
Take two. Today, we're gonna test the theory. I have here some chicken thighs. And what we're gonna test today is if boiling hot water and pouring it over the skin of the chicken will make for a crispy chicken thigh after you cook it. We're gonna finish it several different ways. The first way we're gonna finish it is the common way in our skillet. Put skin side first, get it nice and hot, a little bit of oil, boom, get it going. See how crispy we can get that skin. Second way we're gonna do it, is what most people know as well, is we're gonna broil it just a little bit. And lastly, I get my revenge with my butane torch. So, let's get everything prepped and ready. I'll be back in a jiffy. I'll play it again for you. Also, what else we're gonna do? Forgot to tell you about this. I bought some potatoes, some basic potatoes, 89 cents a pound. And I'm gonna make some homemade, crispy, baked French fries. Let's see how that turns out as well. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, huh? Happy? Are you happy? All right, baby. You go on with your happy self, girl. Go on, girl. Happy self. We're back. All right. All right. So I'm gonna peel our potatoes. You like that? You like that? We're gonna cut these potatoes up into French fries. Alright guys, I got distracted with my meat. I may have boiled this too long, but we can salvage it. Let's see. It doesn't look all bad. Some of it's gotten too soft. I'm guessing the smaller ones did. I've drained it. I'm getting ready to put it in the hot pan with some avocado oil, and we'll go from there. I salvaged what I could with the French fries. I'm gonna do them again tomorrow, but I cooked it too hot for too long. One pan attention, working on my chicken. One pan of good paying attention. But some were salvaged. We're gonna see how this turns out. We've gotten the grease out of our fries. We're gonna season it up a little bit.
So of course, not so hot. Make a little bit fine. Put just a little bit of garlic powder in. Paprika. A little punch. Oh. Okay, sorry. Paprika. Pepper. Even though I didn't I wanted to start here with cooking it. It's okay. That's a little Larry now. Not too much garlic with the powder. Just a little bit of Larry.
Yo, go ahead and try one. Tell me what you think. Let the top go. I'll see it.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yep.
So we pulled the chicken out of the sous vide bags. Now we're gonna pat it dry. I'm gonna take a few, maybe 1 or 2. Use my butane torch, a few more for the pan. I may finish the rest of the pan, or I may do some more in the oven as well. We'll see. Oh, the pan is hot and ready. Got one here on the stove top. Here. And lastly, put the whole torch. Experiment may have to be cut short. Almost smoked the house out. Fire alarm went off. But this has been broiled, seasoned already. I couldn't do much of the blowtorch. It's only when I blowtorch, and the rest came out of the off the pan. Already been seasoned, ready to be eaten. Okay, so as you saw in those pictures, it turned out to look really, really good. All of them could have used an extra maybe 30 or 45 seconds of cooking, but as I was cooking, I wish I would have recorded it, but the smoke detector went off. I mean, every smoke detector in the house because of the smoke from the chicken. I had to cut it short, but I will tell you, based off my wife's review, the best of the 3 of the blowtorch, butane torch, broiler, and pan sear will be the pan searing. That will be the best one, and that one will be the one on the left in the picture you'll see. Butane torch, I'm learning that that's pretty much a kitchen toy because it did not taste good at all. Oven may have had some competition if I would have left it in there longer. Again, it just needed an extra minute, maybe minute and a half in there to crisp up even more, but we freaked out because I got my 2 baby girls in here and it's not worth burning my house down. So I turned everything off. Pan searing, even that you could use an extra 30 seconds, but that was still nice and crispy and crunchy. You may even see a picture here of me breaking it apart, showing you how thin and how crispy it was. The best part of this whole project, surprisingly, the one I messed up the most was the fries. The fries turned out, I mean, crunchy, crisp. The seasoning was amazing on it as well. I mean, I literally enjoyed the fries so much, I'm gonna do them again tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for just tuning in this whole video. If you hadn't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, please, and share this video with someone else that you think they may enjoy it. I'll do a separate video again on just the fries alone. I think I did a little bit too much in this video alone. I'll just do one just on the fries to show you guys how to do that, or how I did that and why it was so crispy and so delicious. And give you guys more feedback on that later. If you would look to the top left, there's some other videos, or maybe on the top right. I don't know. I'm still figuring this thing out, this YouTube thing out. Again, thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next. Thank you. Have a great one. Start. All right, welcome back to another episode of Chef D. Way.
Is this your official?
Yeah.
This is your official one.
Yeah. Welcome. Well, I'm gonna edit it. So.
No, what I'm saying is what we're talking.
Welcome back to another episode of Chef D. Way. Come here. You wanna do it? Come here. Okay, come here. Say Chef D. Way. Way. Come here, alright? You wanna do it with Daddy?
Can you make
Welcome
that a
back.
little bit more?
I'm using it. What's my camera time right now?
No, I'm saying make it look more presentable. Put the potatoes on this board and all of that.
Can you see me still? Welcome back. That's too much. Welcome back to another episode with Chef. That's too fast. Welcome back with another episode with Chef D. Wade. How's that, y'all? Chef D. Wade. Chef D. Wade. Chef D. I'm gonna be looking at it. And you moving stuff around?
No, but it looks good because.
Welcome back to another episode with Chef D. Wade.
Yeah.
How does it move? I'm about to lead what I'm doing. How does it
No, it looks good because you're right in the middle. Like
okay.
you have a.
I'm talking about how do I look doing it.
Oh, okay, sorry.
That's what I'm asking you. Oh my goodness, man. This girl.
Come on, Chef D. Wade.
There we go. Let's hang a little bit more. Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to another episode with Chef D. Wade.